Happy-Chem commute with Mrs. Gray here. How are y'all doing today? It is Monday. I am feeling a lot better than I was this morning. I did not record this morning on my way to work because I was crabby. But I'm going to another school and I am just chilling. I had a cup of coffee. I got another one in my hand and I am ready to rock and roll. How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Let me tell you, this weekend I worked all weekend, my second job, taking care of the elderly. The 99-year-old lady was being ornery. She called me a pig as I was trying to help her with her coffee mug. I didn't want her to drop hot coffee on her. So when I would go to grab it, she would look at me and say, "You're a pig, you're trying to get my coffee." And I said, "I'm not, sweetheart. I just don't want you to get burned." And of course, you know, she didn't want me to leave. She's such a cutie. But anyway, yesterday she said she loved my hair. And I said, "Really?" I said, "My husband calls me helmet head because I'm letting my hair grow out." And she just laughed so hard at that. It was ridiculous. It was funny. But anyway, it's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin. It's 68 degrees, folks. Can you believe it? I can. It's November. It feels good. I guess that's why I'm happy. I came out of the office and the sun was just glaring down at me, and it was a good day. I took off my coat and man, it feels good. So anyway, I hope you all have a good day today. If you're feeling blue, feeling down, find something to uplift you. If it's coffee, drink a coffee. If it's getting out in the sun, get out in the sun for a little bit. Maybe go for a 5-minute walk. Anything to get moving, I think will help. Don't do what I do. You know what I did this morning? I had a freaking cookie. Don't talk to me because I had Lucky Charms for breakfast. Oh my God. Can we say sugar, sugar, sugar? Yeah. So tonight when I get home, I'm going to have to get on that bicycle, stationary bike, and work really hard. And see if I can burn off either the cereal or the cookie. One of those, but that's about it probably. I've been working out, doing well on the stationary bike because I can't run right now. I have my hips messed up and I just want to take care of it. And I was doing really good, doing like keto or Whole30, and I have just been actually not doing well. I've been eating sugar, cookies, and carbs, bad carbs, not good carbs. And I'm struggling. I am really struggling, guys. So trying to get out of this slump, and I don't know how. I guess I just need to get my mind straight. So that is it. All right. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. If you're feeling down, like I said, come on, get going. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. You will be fine. All right. You've got this. There's people that love you and you got this. All right. Have a good one. Peace and love.